Dawateislami is a non-political organization of Quran and Sunnah. The mission statement of Dawateislami is that I must strive to rectify myself and the people of the whole world, insha'Allah. The message of Dawateislami has reached over 190 countries. So how does Dawateislami achieve all of this? Let's take a quick look.
For the sake of Medina, we are calling upon you, Allah. For the sake of Medina, we are calling upon you, Allah. For the sake of Medina, we are calling upon you, Allah.
Building masjids. Dawateislami is making many masjids around the world, including here at Bab al-Madina, Karachi, where the International Madani Markaz is currently undergoing an extension.
We love Dawateislami. We love Dawateislami. We love Dawateislami.
Madani Kafla Majlis. This is a very important majlis of Dawateislami. In this majlis, brothers travel from village to village, city to city, and country to country, all with the aim of spreading the sunnah of the Prophet of Allah sallallahu ta'ala alayhi wa sallam.
We love Dawateislami. We love Dawateislami.
Maktabatul Madina and Majlis Tarajim, the publishing house and translation department of Dawateislami. Maktabatul Madina currently produces booklets, books, CDs and DVDs, which are all beneficial and illuminate the heart of the Muslims. The translation department has currently translated books and booklets in approximately 37 different languages, and the work is ongoing.
May Dawateislami be glorious in every corner of the world.
Jamiatul Madina for Islamic brothers and Jamiatul Madina for Islamic sisters. In Jamiatul Madina, the future scholars of Islam are created, so that these scholars can take the light of Islam into the future. Jamiatul Madina is not only in Pakistan, but in many other countries around the world.
In every corner of the world, for the sake of Medina, we are calling upon you, Allah.
Darul Madina, this exciting project of Dawateislami, is where we provide education for young boys and young girls, or as we like to call them, Madani Munne and Madani Munia.
May Dawateislami be glorious in every corner of the world.
In Darul Madina, we provide education from a young age, worldly education and religious education, so that they can go right up to the university level. And inshallah soon you'll hear the initiation of Darul Madina University. Darul Madina is not only just in Pakistan, but in many other places around the world. Madrasatul Madina is where children are taught the Quran with correct pronunciation. This takes place in thousands of places all around the world.
We love Dawateislami. We love Dawateislami.
Dawateislami also provides a Madrasatul Balighan service, in which those people that have left the madrasa and left the education age, they also have an opportunity in which they can learn the Quran with correct pronunciation. Darul Iftar. Darul Iftar is a very important service provided by Dawateislami, in which Muslims all around the world can get an Islamic ruling relating to every aspect of a daily Muslim life. Today, we have seen just a few of the departments of Dawateislami. In total, there are 95, and this is again under review and may increase at any time.
May Dawateislami be glorious in every corner of the world.
Madani Channel. This has become the heartbeat of many Muslims around the world. The heartbeat that never stops. Through various satellite dishes, Madani Channel is transmitting to virtually all around the world with the aim of rectifying the Muslims around the world through Quran and Sunnah.
We love Dawateislami. We love Dawateislami.
How is all of this possible? This is all possible with the moral and financial support of people like you watching this channel right now. I appeal to each and every one of you to, when calculating your zakat, when giving your zakat, atiyat, or any form of charity, please remember Dawateislami, the worldwide mission of Quran and Sunnah. Become a part of this mission and make your money earn a reward for you that you'll see in the hereafter. You can also donate in the name of your deceased ones so that they can also attain a reward. Please donate using the following bank accounts.
For donation, Sadaqate Wajibah,
and Zakat. Bank name MCB. Account title Dawateislami. Account number 0388514110000260. Branch Cloth Market Branch, Karachi, Pakistan. Branch code 0063. Swift code MUCBPKKA. For donation, Nafilah. Bank name MCB. Account title Dawateislami. Account number 0388841531000263. Branch Cloth Market Branch, Karachi, Pakistan. Branch code 0063. Swift code MUCBPKKA.
सल्लू अलल हबीब सल्लल्लाहु तआला अला मुहम्मद। मुझे अपनी और सारी दुनिया के लोगों की इस्लाह की कोशिश करनी है इंशाअल्लाह।